everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I am going to try and make a mermaid crown, and for this I am going to need a headband, a thick one. I am using a styrofoam ball and a bread knife to cut it. You're going to need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. Then I have some different size pearls, and I have a few different types of shells in different sizes. So to start, I am going to cut the styrofoam in slices. So I went ahead and cleaned up a little bit of the mess I made, so I'm just using an old plastic bag to protect my table. But here we have what looks like mozzarella slices, and I am taking the headband and a little box to help keep the headband more adjusted, and I am seeing like the place I want them, maybe like this. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit on the base. For now, I'm not going to use these two pieces. I'll see if I need more of it later. So now my hot glue gun is on, and I have never used this or anything like it, so let's see how this is gonna go. So now I'm going to take my shells and I'm going to choose which ones I want and where to place them. Now this is where you can get most creative, so you can really choose whatever you want. I am trying to leave it mostly symmetrical. All shells look exactly the same. So now I kind of like this design, and I am going to take a photo of it, and then I'll try to replicate it by gluing everything down. Just did all the gluing, and now I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and I am going to reinforce a little under the shells because I don't want it to fall off, and some of them are kind of hanging on for a thread almost. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to flip it over and see where it needs more glue. So now I've let it dry a little bit, and to knit this up, I'm gonna try to remove these little threads of white glue that are hanging out. I am going to fill in the empty spaces and some imperfections with the pearls. So this is the finished thing. You just have to remove a little bit of the glue that has dried up, and sometimes it makes these little threads. And this really was my first time using hot glue, but it's not bad. And yeah, I ended up needed to add a bit more on the base of the headband, but yeah, if everything goes according to plan, and if this doesn't end up falling apart, I am going to use this for something special. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to see what I'm going to do with this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.